Very important 3 mark question. So, topic number 9, right? Ninth one. Relation between E and V. E and V. A relation between E and V. So I would consider here uniform electric field as well as two equipotential surface plates. Two equipotential surface plates I will consider. So now consider two plates. Okay. So on the uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Very important question for this one. So now here I will consider two uniform electric equipotential surfaces. Equipotential surfaces. Two plates are there. Okay, two plates. So at this point, wherever you see, the potential is same. The potential is the same at this point. So now electric field is going from left to right. This is the direction of electric field lines. Is the plate A, is the plate B. Plate A and plate B. Okay. So now we will select one region here. This potential I will consider. This potential I will consider V. This potential I will consider V minus delta V. Is the V1 is the V2. V1 is equal to V, V2 is equal to V minus delta V. Why sir you took like that? This one you can take V minus delta V, this one you can take V sir like that mean. So that is not correct. Correct or not? Why? Because potential near to the positive charge is more. Yes sir, depends on distance from here to here or from here to here R2. That means this plate is having more potential, this plate is having less potential. So that's what I took like itself. Alright, okay. So now I will select here, so point to P. At point to P I have dq charge. At point to P dq charge I have on the B plate. So now this charge we want to bring from P to it here. P to this point Q I will give you. P to Q. I want to bring dq charge from P to Q. I want to bring dq charge from P to Q on the uniform electric field. On the uniform electric field, and so on the equipotential surface. This potential both are different, but this one is same, this one is same at any point. So dq charge we want to bring from P to Q. For that purpose I want to do some work. Correct or not? So this side, that is I want to do some work to bring dq charge against the electric field. Against the electric field. Right? So electric force is acting which direction? So now here I will consider the distance also. I will count distance. Here dq charge will be there. Is the dq charge. Okay, from here to here. I will consider distance is dr. I will consider distance is dr. So distance for P to Q. I want to bring dq charge. So how much distance? dq distance. How much work done? dw. So this is the direction of work displacement. Now force is acting in this direction. Force is acting. What is that? Electric force. Electric force is acting in this direction. My displacement is acting in that direction. Therefore theta is equal to, obviously, how much will come? 180 degrees. Correct? So that's what here from figure. What is that? Work done. Amount of work done. Or else amount of work done in bringing dq charge from P to Q is dw. dw is equal to F into dr cos 180. Cos 180. Correct, everybody? Cos 180. Therefore, dw is equal to minus F into dr. F into dr. And we know that F is equal to E is equal to F by dq, right? F by dq here. Q naught, instead of Q naught, what should be there? dq will be there. Therefore, F is equal to, what is that? E into dq. E into dq. Therefore, dw is equal to minus E into dq into dr. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Right. Okay. And the potential difference between A and B. A and B. Correct? A and B, or else P and Q. P, Q and P. P and Q. What is that? So, V Q minus VP is equal to VQ, this is VP. VQ minus VP is equal to dW. Correct? dW by dq. Yes or no formula? Did you remember? What is that? V is equal to W by Q, right? W by Q naught. Potential formula. The potential V is equal to work done by unit charge. Right. This is equation. Still, can I rub this diagram? Or else I will rub this top 3 lines. Okay. Then, so VQ. What is the VQ value? V minus VP value. V minus DQ. So minus V plus delta V is equal to dW by dq. dW by dq. So minus get cancel. Here d will be there. Here d will be delta. We will write dV is equal to dW by dq. Equation number 2. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What we can write? Instead of dW, can I write this one? Can I take this one? Yes. So dV is equal to minus E into dq into dr divided by dq. dq get cancel. Then next, dV is equal to So dV is equal to minus E into dr. This is the very important relation between potential and E. Potential and E. Still E is equal to minus dV by dr. dV by dr. Remember, this is a vector dot vector scalar product. Potential is scalar. So electric field is vector. This is a position vector from there to there. Displacement vector values. So this is our derivation. A very important 3-mark question. Right. Can I have? But most important, remember what is that? Electric field and delta V, potential energy. Electric field and potential, not a potential energy. Sir, nice derivation. Okay, thank you. E is equal to minus dV by dr. Understood everybody? Easy na? So the third derivation. 3 questions I have given till now. The 3 questions are very important. Still 3 derivations are there. Potential related topic. Okay. So E is equal to minus dV by dr. Everything is fine. Now I will give you one small idea here. See, F is equal to formula, what I given? F is equal to, first one, F is equal to K into Q1 by Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square. Correct or not? Very important question set is under. Right, for example here, this is the source. Source I will consider positive. So now here, infinity to test charge, Q0. Q0 we will bring up to point P. This is the O. So at point P, what should be there here? Q0. Your distance is equal to, I will consider R only. So F is equal to what? F is equal to what? Right? So what is the F formula? F is equal to K into Q into Q naught by R square. This is the related force formula. Similarly, electric field formula. What is electric field formula? So F by Q naught. The force experienced by unit test charge is known as electric field intensity. So what would be happen? K into Q naught by R square into 1 by Q naught. Q naught get cancelled. Therefore, E is equal to K into Q by R square. Q by R square. Remember here, what is that? Electric force. And also remember here, one more important point I will give you. Now I am bringing this charge from here to here. That means required work done is known as potential. Required work done is equal to potential. That means, so this is the positive. This one also positive. So what happened? Both are repelled each other. Both are repelled each other. So that's what happened here. So this body cannot go in forward direction. Cannot go in forward direction. For that purpose, I will do external work. Correct? External work against the electric field. Against the electric. For example, here, so in this direction, F is equal to F electric. So 10 newtons mean I want to do in this direction. So this is the F applied. So that force is applied me only, right? So applied force is, how much is required? 10 newtons is required. 10 newtons is required. Correct or not? So So that is the electric force is acting. That's how much force? 10 newtons. So this charge we want to bring from here to here, or else from here to here. From here to here. So for how much work done is required? 10 newtons is required. So this is the applied force. Sorry, that is electric force. This is applied force. Both are equal and opposite. Alright? That is the electric force. This is the applied force. This is the electric force. This is the applied force. Both are equal and opposite. Therefore, net force is equal to 0. If F net is 0 means acceleration is 0. Correct? F is equal to m into k. Therefore, acceleration is equal to 0. So, most important point here, the body without acceleration. Without acceleration. Remember this point, always very, very important. Without acceleration, the body is acting in this direction. My force is acting in this direction against the electric field. Right? So for example here, this is the plus Q will be there. Right? I want to bring minus Q naught. Is a test charge minus Q naught. Now Q naught. So required for bringing this side. This side required any external force. This is a plus, this is the minus. Not required. That means electric force is acting which direction? In this direction. Electric force is acting in this direction. But that is not my potential. My potential is always against the electric field. Against the electric field. Therefore, so here in this direction, the body is having acceleration. The body is having this acceleration. But according to definition, without acceleration. Without acceleration. Correct or not? Without acceleration means I want to apply opposite to electric force. This body comes this side only. So I want to bring away from positive charge. As a negative, this one, away from positive charge. Which one? Negative test charge. Right? Negative charge away from, I want to bring away from positive charge. That is the potential. That is the potential. If I take this is the minus. Sir, if I take this is the minus, this is the plus. Is the plus. What happened? So the charge is, so will come this side itself. This side itself. So that's why my potential can act this side again also. Correct? Opposite to negative charge. Opposite negative charge. If I take here positive, negative, if I take negative, then what happened? So this body, so repelled by negative source. Repelled by negative source. So I want to bring again this one against the negative electric field. Negative electric field. Remember one, this is the small information. Right? Okay. So, here work done. F is equal to this one, E is equal to that one. Next one, potential. What is the potential formula? Potential is equal to K into Q by R. K into Q by R. Correct or not? So, K into Q by R, potential. Potential is K into Q by R. Electric field is Q into R square. Force is K into Q naught by R square. That means the force is depends on source of charge as well as test charge. Test charge. But electric field is depends upon only source of charge. Potential also depends upon source of charge. Alright? Okay. That is the one small information. Next one. So, if I say this two. So this one you can divide. So KK get cancelled. RR get cancelled. Therefore what will come here? E by V is equal to what is that? Q by R. Q by R. So next to QQ get cancelled, right? QQ also get cancelled. 1 by R. 1 by R. So V transfer that side. What will come? E is equal to V by R. Relation, right? E is equal to dV by dr. Remember, electric field and potential always opposite. Always opposite. For remembering formula purpose, you can do it like that also, no problem. Right? Peoples will get confusion. So sir, V is equal to dV is equal to minus E by dr, or else E is equal to minus dV by dr. Which is correct, sir? Like that they will get confusion while doing problems. Right? So simple form. What is that? Sir, E is equal to V by R, V is equal to E by R. Which is correct, sir? Which is correct? Like that. So while doing, both are same. Both are same. Both are same. How both are same? This is the E is equal to dV, but this is correct formula. Is the correct formula. But this is wrong formula, right? So dV into dr is equal to, correct? So dV is equal to E into dr, correct? E into dr, correct? Yeah. So this is E is equal to V by R, V is equal to E by R. Like that they will confusion. Sir, which formula is correct? This one or this one? Like that they will get confusion. Alright? For that purpose, that confusion removing purpose, you can remember. So this relation. What is that? E is equal to this one, V is equal to this one. So both get cancelled out. E by R, E by V is equal to 1 by R. So E is equal to V by R. E is equal to V by R. So that is the idea. Is the idea. So still, sir, what is the relation between E and V? E and V. E is equal to K into Q by R square. V is equal to K into Q by R. That means K is constant, Q is constant. This is the source. This is the, what is that? K force constant, Coulomb force constant. K is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. Epsilon naught. That means it is a depends on. So what is that? Epsilon naught. Medium also. But generally we will consider. So air medium only. So no problem. Alright? Okay. So K is constant, K is constant, Q is constant, Q is constant. That means E is proportional to 1 by R square. V is proportional to 1 by R. 1 by R. If I take R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. Okay. So this is the right. So what will come here? E1 is equal to how much? E1 is equal to 1 by 4R will come. 1 by 4R. Correct? So E1 by E2 is equal to R2 by R1 whole square. Similarly, V1 by V2 is equal to R2 by R1. R2 by R1. Yes or no? So I want to E2. I want to E2. E2 is equal to how much will come E2? So E1 divided by R2 square into R1 square. Right? Similarly here also V2. V2 is equal to V1 divided by R2 into R1. Right? So if I take R1 is equal to 1, R2 is equal to 2. Then what would be happen? So E1 by 4, V1 by 2, V1 by 2 and E1 by 2. So you can observe once. E2 is equal to how many times reduced? 4 times. V2 how many times reduced? 2 times. So which is having less value? Which is having less value? Which is having less value? E2 or V2? Less value. Obviously E2, right? That means if I take R is same distance, If I take R is same distance, E can reduced more times comparatively V2. That's what. If I draw graph between E and V and R, so along x-axis, along y-axis. So this along x-axis I will consider R, along y-axis I will consider E or V. E or V. Okay. So for example here, R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, R is equal to 4, R is equal to right, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that only. So electric field 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that only. Right. So what is that? E is proportional to R square, V is proportional to R. So now both are, so decrease rectangular, so parabola, correct? Rectangular parabola, like that only. Rectangular parabola, or else exponentially decreases. Right. So now I can start exactly one only. Alright, exactly one only. So one graph will come in this direction. So another graph will come in this direction. So this is the first graph, this is the second graph. Right. First graph is, yes, oh, time up. Right. So which one is E related graph? Which one is E related graph? So which one is E? Which one is V? Which is E? Which is V? So I have given two graphs. First graph and second graph. First graph and second graph. B is E. I have given a. Okay. So this is the 1, is the 2. Now tell me. 2 is very good. 2 is E and 1 is potential. Correct or not? Is the less. Is the more. That be decreases more. Electric field decreases more. That is the relation. That's it, Nana. This is the electric potential and equipotential surface, all those things over. Now we will enter into new topic, that is the second part in the chapter. So what is that? Potential energy. Right, 43 members only are there. So remaining people, I think, I don't know. Okay, right. So now new concept, that is potential energy. So today itself I want to finish this concept. So second one, electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy, or else electric potential energy. So like that we will give you. So first one here, definition of electrostatic potential energy. EPA in the gravitation chapter, GPA, in the chapter EPE. So EP over. Okay, now EPE. Next, units of electric potential energy. Okay, two units are there. One is, so SI unit, another one is another unit. Is the joule, this is the electron volt. So that definition of electron volt. What is electron volt? Next, so potential energy of a system. Potential energy of a system. in 2-point charges. 2-point charges. In the absence of external electric field. External electric field. Next, fifth one. Potential energy of a system in 2-point charges in the presence of external electric field. External electric field. So last question already in the first chapter I have given, but one more time. What is that? Electric potential energy in an electric dipole. Electric dipole in an electric field due to an electric dipole. Electric potential energy in an electric field due to an electric dipole. Right? So this is the total 6 questions are there. Total 6 questions. Definition of electric field, electrostatic potential energy, units of EPE, and define electron volt, and PE of system in 2-point charges in the absence of electric field and presence of external electric field. And again same torque only. Torque related topic. Tau is equal to PA sin theta. So now which is becomes U is equal to minus PA cos theta. PA cos, already this I have given. Correct? Right, man? So these are the topics. So first, definition of electric field, electrostatic potential energy.